divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. So that's why you can easily write the multiplication table of 4. 4 goes into 2 how many times? 0 times, as 2 is less than 4. 0 times 4, 0 times 4 0. Subtract, you are getting to bring down this 0. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times, right? 5 5 times 4 20. Subtract 0, bring down this 0. 0 0 means 0. 4 goes into 0, 4 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 4 0. Subtract 0, bring down this 0. 0 0 means 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 4 0. Subtract 0, as our remainder is 0, so we are done. So our answer is 0500, that is 500. This 0 don't have any value. 500 is our answer.